count parameter in DD tool. The count parameter is used to get copy of the particular data which user have defined. Like if you have defined 15 block, 10 block or 13 block, how much block you want to copy, you can define it and you can get copied it. Okay, so there is a syntax also available here. You can see dd if input file you have to give, of output file also you have to give the path, particular path in which you have to store the data. Count parameter, as we are discussing about the count parameter, how much block you want to copy, that you have to define here. Okay, so in count parameter you will define whatever block you want to copy. Like I have defined it's a 10 block, 10, then it will copy only 10 block. So let's see the practical example of it. Here I already opened CMD on the particular path where RDD is stored, and this CMD is run as a admin, so at least we can see the mounted drives with the system. So using which command, dd.exe dash dash list. Okay, so we will see the list of drive which are attached with the particular system. So here we can see this is the external drive which I already mounted. This is the pan drive. You can see it's a removable media, just need to copy it. So now need to see the example of count parameter. So give dd.exe space if, where input file or source we need to give, which we already copied. Need to copy again. Okay, it got copied and paste it. Now give of is output file where our data will be acquired. So in this particular path, if you want the output file, then you can give directly name. If you want in some another path, then you have to give whole path. After that you need to give a file name. So here I am just giving a file name only. So our count example is there, then count example, okay, .dd. So this file will be created, and in this file our data will be acquired. So need to give count parameter, how much blocks we need to copy, how much block we want to copy, that we need to give in, we need to declare in a count parameter. So I am just giving 200 blocks only, not more than that. So this 200 blocks, from where it will get copied, from the source hard disk of the initial sector, not from last or not from in between. It will be acquired from the initial stage, it will be acquired from the initial sector, like 0th position. From that it will acquire. Okay, it won't be acquired from the in between. So count 200 means the first 200 of the pen drive, the first 200 blocks of the pen drive will be acquired. So need to give one more command, which is progress. So at least we can see progress. So the data has been copied and it is stored in a particular drive or particular path. Let's see whether it is got extracted or not. So count exam is extracted and it's a 100 KB. Let's see using hex editor also we can see. If you go to the tool in hex editor, open disk image, open our file name, which is a count exam.dd. Just open it. Okay, so this much block has been copied, which we can verify from upper side also. You can see of 200. Okay, and we can see this sector has been started from the 0th sector. 0th sector is the first sector, so it will be 199. No, then only it will 200. So we can see here the last sector will be 199. So total is a 200 block has been copied. So this is the example of the count parameter. So one more example is for count only. So need to check all the parameter, how much parameters are there in a dd command. So need to see with using dash dash l. Okay, we will see there are some k, m and g we already discussed in our previous video. So we will use this k, m and g. So how we will use, using the same thing, dd dot exe space same if is equal to that input source. Okay, need to copy from upper side which we already discussed. Need to copy this and just paste it. Okay, so in off we'll give the output folder with para count. Okay, dot dd. So this file will be created. Here need to give parameter which is count. So here we will use not a number, but we will give the alphabet of k, m and g. So we will use only 1k. Okay, so how much block will be copy, like take 2k. So it should be copy multiply of this particular thing, like if it is 2 means it should be multiplied with the 1024. Okay, so how much block should be copy, like 2048. Okay, this much block should be copy. Now give same progress command, progress. So here only we will see the output, and you can see the progress also, and see how much block has been copied, 2048. So this is the use of this k, m and g.
Please subscribe and click the bell icon.